In this video we are going to discuss about attention. Okay, what is meant by attention? What are the factors is for the attention? Regarding that we are going to discuss. Okay, attention nothing but it is a one of the concentration. Okay, attention is a concentration of a consciousness upon the particular objective. Okay, rather than the another one. Attention is nothing but we will focus on a particular objective. Okay, in this two or more objectives is there, or a group of people is there, group of objectives is there. Okay, we will focus on a single one or particular objective. Okay, that process we are called as the attention. Okay, in group of people, different types of people, different types of communication is there, but we are focused on we are concentrate on only one particular speech or particular person or particular objective. Why? Because we have some concentration. Okay, why? Because we have some attention, some attractiveness on particular objective or the particular person. Okay, that one we are called as the attention. Okay, this is the definition is given by the Dumville in year of 1938. Okay, attention means in this group of situations or group of people or group of objectives is there. Okay, in that particular group objectives we will focus on a only particular or single objective, single person, single speech. Okay, single item we are focused. Why? Because we have some concentration, we have some attractiveness, we have some interest on the particular one. Okay, opposite objective or the opposite person, opposite individual also having some creativity. Okay, some creativity or some domination on the other objectives. That's why we will focus on a single objective. ఓకే, అటెన్షన్ అనేది ఒక శ్రద్ధ వహించడం, అంటే ఒక సమూహంలో ఓన్లీ మనం ఒక వస్తువు పైన కానీ ఒక మనిషి పైన కానీ ఒక ఐటెం పైన కానీ మనము శ్రద్ధ వహిస్తాం. ఎందుకు అనంటే మనకి కొంత అట్రాక్టివ్నెస్ అనేది ఉంది. ఓకే, ఆ యొక్క ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ మనల్ని ఆకర్షించుకునేటటువంటి శక్తి ఉంది. దాట్స్ వై వీ విల్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ అట్రాక్టివ్నెస్ ఆర్ సమ్ కాన్షియస్నెస్, సమ్ అటెన్షన్ ఆన్ ఏ పర్టికులర్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్. Okay, next we are going to discuss about types of attention. Okay, what are the types is there means in this first one is the focused attention, second one is the sustained stimuli, third one is the selective attention, fourth one is the alternating attention, fifth one is the divided attention. Okay, these are the four types is there. In this first one, that is the focused attention. Okay, in this focused attention, for example, as a class teacher, in classroom 50 students is there. Okay, when the teacher is going to teach to the students, all students are not having a particular attention on a class. Okay, some students or some people or some students are going to sleep, or some students are simply chit-chatting like that, bank bench students, or some students are some disturbance, they are having some asking pen or asking papers or asking some eraser pencils like that. Okay, some disturbance is there. As a teacher you should focus. Okay, she should focus on the students out of 50 students who are going to disturb, who are not having particular attention on the class. Okay, who are going to sleeping. Okay, those one we will focus. ఓకే, ఒక టీచర్ క్లాస్ రూమ్లో టీచ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఆ యొక్క 50 మంది స్టూడెంట్స్లో ఎవరో ఒకరు నిద్రపోతున్నప్పుడు ఇమీడియట్గా యాజ్ ఏ టీచర్ షీ షుడ్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ ద స్లీపింగ్ గర్ల్. ఓకే, వై యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు స్లీప్, జస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ వేకప్, యూ షుడ్ లిజన్ ఆన్ ద కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్, ఆర్ జస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ గో అండ్ ఫ్రెష్ అప్ యువర్ ఫేస్. ఓకే, లైక్ దట్ ద టీచర్ షుడ్ బి ఫోకస్ ఆన్ ఏ పర్టికులర్ ఇండివిజువల్. ఓకే, ఒక 50 మంది స్టూడెంట్స్లో ఒకరు నిద్రపోతున్నప్పుడు ఒక టీచర్ టీచ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఆ 50 మందిలో తన పైన ఫోకస్ చేయడం. ఓకే, నిద్రపోతున్న స్టూడెంట్ని లేపి ఫేస్ వాష్ చేసుకుని రమ్మని చెప్పడం, అలాంటి వాటిని వీ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ ద ఫోకస్ అటెన్షన్. Okay, next another one, that is the sustained stimuli. Okay, in this sustained stimuli means sometimes we have some stimulus. Okay, depends upon the stimulus we should wake up. Okay, depends upon the stimulus we should do our work. Okay, depends upon the some particular stimulus we have some important work. For example, this phone ringing. Okay, when phone should be ring, immediately we should take that calls. Okay, who is calling, or why the phone should be ringing. Okay, who is that caller, like that immediately we should observe and we should speak. Yes, is it right? Means particular stimulus అవ్వడం వల్ల ఆ స్టిమ్యులస్ని రిసీవ్ చేసుకొని మనం మన యొక్క వర్క్ని ప్రొసీడ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాం. ఫోన్ రింగ్ అయితే వెంటనే మనం లిఫ్ట్ చేసి మాట్లాడతాం, అవునా? దట్ వన్ వీఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ద సస్టైన్డ్ స్టిమ్యులై. సమ్ టైమ్స్ అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆల్సో దేర్, టిక్లింగ్ ఆఫ్ వాల్ క్లాక్. ఓకే, 1 అవర్కి ఆర్ 3 అవర్స్కి 5 అవర్స్కి, మీన్స్ అవర్ టు అవర్, 1 అవర్ 2 అవర్ 3 అవర్ 3rd అవర్ 4th అవర్ 5th అవర్ 6th అవర్, means the timing. Okay, now the time is 1 p.m. or 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. like that some alarm clock should be tinkling. Okay, that depends upon that tingling or simply calling bell. Okay, once the calling bell we should be there, means immediately we should go outside and who is there. Okay, that one means some stimulus should be by the externally, the individual should be proceed, who is that one, who is outside. Okay, that one we are called as the sustained stimulus. Next another one is the selective attention. Okay, in this selective attention what happens means for example the persons or the individual or the students having some types of selective. Okay, they are having some attention on a particular selection objective, selection process or selected event or selected occasion. Okay, they are selecting and they have some attention. For example, we are watching movies in cinema halls. Okay, sometimes we are selected some time we should be spending for watching cinema in cinema halls, no? Okay, next another one, that is the some conferences. Okay, in this guru conferences, all some speech is given by the experienced persons, group of people concentrate on a particular one. Okay, sometimes in our hospital sectors the nurse is mainly selected on the ventilator patients. Okay, who is that ventilator patients is there. Okay, who is the serious illness patients is there. Okay, we should provide critical care to that particular patient, that's why we should select that particular patients. Okay, next another one, that is the alternating attention. Okay, in this alternating attention we should have many situations. Okay, one situation we lose means we have another option, we have another alternative also. Okay, in this for example so many of competitive exams is there, no? Okay, in first competitive exam we are attempted, we are not selected or we are not qualified for a particular good job. Next we should proceed another one. Okay, means many of alternative jobs will be there, many of alternative competitive exams will be there. We should have some concentration, some interest, some hard work on the competitive exams, then we will get good job. Means many or more alternatives is there for attention. Okay, sometimes for example one driver is there. Okay, what is that attention? Driver is driving. Okay, many of vehicles is there, for example bus or lorry or car. Okay, each and every vehicle should be driven by the driver. Okay, means the driver having some attention for driving. Okay, but the vehicle is different. Okay, car or lorry or bus, whatever it may be, vehicles is different, but driving is one person is there, by the driver is doing some driving. Okay, next another one, that is the divided attention. Okay, in this divided attention what happens means some possible genius or intelligent questions. Okay, in this intelligent to the multiple questions. Okay, some multiple task is there. Okay, in that multiple task, in that multiple questions, the person is giving by using their intelligent capacity, by the genius, they are giving some answers to that particular task. Means group of task is there. In that group of task, by doing intelligent capacity, okay, in the presence of intelligent capacity of a person, the person is giving a genius answer to that particular question. Okay, that one we are called as the divided attention. Next we are going to discuss about determinants of attention. Okay, in these determinants, two types is there. First one is the objective stimulus or external factors. Okay, next another one, that is the subjective or personal or internal factors. Okay, subjective stimuli or personal stimuli or internal factors is there for the determinants of attention. Okay, in this first one, that is the external factors. In these three types, some types is there. In this intensity of stimuli or novelty and size or repetition or change. Another one, that is the contrast. Another one is the movement. Okay, these are the subtopics is there. In these external factors, first one is the intensity of stimulus. Okay, in a present situation, how much intensity is there by that particular stimuli. Okay, in this that one is the strong stimuli, or sometimes okay, some strong stimuli is there, that is the already we have discussed, ringing of phone, or sometimes tingling of wall clock. Okay, depends upon that strong stimuli we are identified. For example, tingling of wall clock means immediately we should observe that wall clock. Okay, what is the time now? Okay, the time is 2 p.m. or time is 3 p.m. Immediately we should identify it by doing by giving strong stimulus of the person. Okay, next another one, that is the novelty. In this novelty, what happens means immediately we should focus on the which is the new equipment is there in the hospital. Okay, immediately we should identify it in the classroom what is the new equipment, or in our home what is the new equipment. Okay, we should identify which one is new one. Okay, which one is more attractive one. Okay, that one we are called as the novelty. Next another one, that is the size. Means in that particular objective or in that particular place, large size or large objective, or sometimes we are having some interest for doing help, but the objective size will be big, or we are having some ability to do that work, but the work should be too hard. Okay, that one also one factor for attention. Next another one, that is the repetition. Okay, in this repetition what happens means the repeated crying of the childrens. Okay, repeat and repeat again and again they are having crying, or sometimes tapping of door. Okay, many times they are doing they are giving some tapping of door. Okay, next another one is the change. Okay, in this change what happens means one place to another place, we are changing our teaching over our problem solving techniques. Okay, due to that changing of place, we have some concentration, or we are changing our attention on particular event or situation. Only one particular concentration or particular place. Okay, when we will change that particular place means our attention also change. Okay, next another one, that is the contrast. Okay, in this contrast what happens means a spot on the clean white dress. Okay, we are weared or we are identified one new white dress means immediately, or the dress having some spot or some dot will be there means immediately we should identify that particular dot. Okay, next another one, that is the movement. Okay, in this movement what happens means fast moving emotional signals. Okay, sometimes the fast moving electrical signals in this, for example, we should switch on the light. Okay, when we will switch on the switch on, immediately the light will be there, brightness will be there, or when we will switch on, immediately the fan should be moving. Okay, means the electrical signal should be moving fastly. Okay, next another one, that is the selective or personal or internal factors. Okay, in that first one, insights, emotional, motivation and interest, habit, philosophy of life. Okay, in this emotions, okay, some emotions is there, some depression is there, some sadness is there, or sometimes motivation is there. Okay, how to escaping that problem or how to solving that particular problem. Okay, next another one, sometimes interest or sometimes habitually they are doing some work. Okay, these are now we are called as the personal factors or internal factors. Okay, this is regarding determinants of attention.